Okay, so what is up, everybody? I am Sniper Jones and welcome back to another video. Today, as you guys can see, I have a very special sneaker in the building, in the studio today. I wanted to talk to you guys briefly about it because not only was it like one of the more unthought of sneakers of December, but also it was a lot of back and forth going about how this shoe was super late and it was so much going on about the shipment and so many people got this shoe dumb late. But before we get into that, y'all already know the vibes. We hit 70K, and with hit 70K, I promise y'all the merch will be dropping. And as I said, that promise is fulfilled. The merch is officially available. So the merch that we went with, man, we got the Dream Big hoodies. I know a lot of you guys love the Dream Big hoodie. It definitely has like that V-long type look. I wanted it, you know what I'm saying? V-long usually have frames on the front in bold print, so I got the Dream Big on the front in bold print. Instead of the V in the back, we got the world, man, because we dreaming big, we're trying to take over the world, and I really love the graphic in the front and in the back. The material's A1, you can actually feel the graphic print on the back, and you can actually feel the graphic print on the front. Now, I am doing this pre-order style, so if you check out the link down below in the description, if you want the merch, make sure you head over there and get it. We also have t-shirts as well. It's the same exact way. Dream Big on the front, that black and orange. Flip it around, and Dream Big is on the back. First off, before anybody go over there, thank y'all so much for just rocking with me, supporting me, and helping getting the channel to 70,000. We one step closer to 100,000, and I appreciate everybody on the way. None of this is possible without you guys, so I'm extremely thankful, and I'm just extremely proud to be at this moment. This is my second time dropping merch. The first time sold out crazy, so I know y'all gonna come up, I know y'all gonna show out, and I know y'all gonna support, man. So like I said, thank y'all so much. The merch is available, the link down below. Make sure you get those pre-orders in. Okay guys, so today we have the Adidas Yeezy Quantum in the frozen blue colorway. Let's get into it. So this is my first ever Yeezy Quantum video I've ever made. Now the Yeezy Quantum was first debuted. It was first seen, okay? All-Star Weekend, if I'm not mistaken. Kanye was driving around with them like crazy Hummer. I don't even know what the name of them cars was, but you've seen people giving away Complex Con Nike Fear of Gods for these Yeezy Quantums. Now I do not own a pair. I don't know how any of them feel. I don't know how any of them fit. But I do know they have the boost in them. I hear a lot of good things about them. So this is my first pair to ever look over and review. So here we have it. The box is standard, just like any other Yeezy box. It says boost. The difference is on the top, it says Quantum. And one thing about Yeezy, he definitely switches it up. No matter what Yeezy you get, it'll let you know on top. If it's a Yeezy slide, it'll say slide. 700 will say 700. 350 will say 350. So on and so forth. But this is it. This is the Yeezy Frozen Quantum. And like I said, it's getting a lot of mixed reviews, but most importantly, a lot of people are just very upset about how late the shoe got to them. And I'm gonna dive into that a little bit before we get into the actual review. So the reason why the Yeezy Quantum was so late is because Adidas actually worked with USPS when they did this sneaker. And as y'all know, the holiday season was worse. I'm talking about record numbers. If anybody has social media, if y'all seen any pictures of any USPS, it looked absolutely horrible. I'm talking about packs and packs and stacks of nothing but packages. So that is the reason why pretty much everybody's sneaker has came in late. Now these officially released December 23rd for the retail price of $250. And like I said, this is the frozen blue colorway. I believe they have the original Quantum, a Berlin colorway or something like that, and the frozen blue. Out of all of them, I like the original or this one the most. I really like it, you know what I'm saying? It does have a lot of features that I will be talking about in today's video, but for some reason the frozen blue just really works for me. Now, I do want to say they have the Quantum pair and they have the basketball pair. So a lot of people don't know, a lot of people maybe do know, this Yeezy Quantum is also a basketball sneaker. I know everybody was talking about Yeezy dropping his basketball shoe. Well, he actually did. Last year, All-Star Weekend, Brandon Ingram was seen wearing the pair, and he got Kanye West to sign him. I'm gonna put that picture right up there so you guys can see that. But for my people, I have the basketball pair as well. If y'all have noticed, okay, the regular pair says Quantum. The basketball pair says basketball. So not only do I have the regular Yeezy Quantum pair, I also have the Yeezy Quantum basketball pair, which is a little bit different. They might look the same, but they are a little bit different. And for my people who just like the frozen blues, don't worry, no problem. I also have the Yeezy 700 V3 Adidas. If you look at all three of these, bruh, I ain't gonna cap. They all look very, 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 very similar to all of them. So I wanted to create a video where I compare and contrast all three. Anybody out there, if you are looking forward to a video like that, or if you want to see a video like that, right now is the time. Comment down below right now, or more importantly, what I'm probably going to look forward to the most, and what I'm going to gauge off of the most to release this video, smash the like button right now. Now, like I said, all three of these sneakers are very much so different, and I wanted to do a video comparing all three. We got the Yeezy Quantum, the Yeezy 700 V3 Adidas, and then we have the Yeezy Quantum, or actually the Yeezy Basketball, and they're all in this frozen blue colorway, and it's a lot of differences between all three of these. Starting off with the outer sole, we get the Yeezy Quantum outer sole. Now this looks like a basketball sneaker when you come to the grip. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I probably would not hoop in a shoe like this. It's very bulky, and even though I like the boost, I'm not sure if I would feel comfortable hooping in the Yeezy Quantum. What I can say is the bottom, the outer sole, it definitely looks like the traction is hidden. I'm not gonna hold you. The traction looks pretty good on this shoe, especially compared to any other Yeezy before in the past. You do see the boost hidden right here in this compartment right there for, you know, we all know and love boost at this point in time. Now we get to the midsole. When we get to the midsole, I mean, it's pretty much standard, just like any other Yeezy Quantum, but this is what I love about the shoe the most. So this entire back heel is all 3M, which is a great touch. There's also some 3M behind the frozen blue. You'll see the Adidas 3 stripes in there as well. Now when we get to the toe box is made of some type of hairy suede. I like it. It's very good material. I definitely think it's a good touch. What sells me though is the black right here on the upper, whether it be the tongue or the ankle part. I really, really like that. I think these are definitely worth $250. I don't think you need all three. That's something I'll talk about later in the video. I already have the Adidas, so I think this is just another silhouette of the same exact color, but still, all in all, I think this is a fire shoe to have. Now, some details I want to talk to you guys about is, you know that the Yeezy Quantum is glow in the dark, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my blue light real quick, you know what I'm saying? Charge this baby up. You can already see how it's glowing. You already see the glow in it, man. You see the glow. You definitely see the glow. Yes, sir. You can see that. So, yeah, these are completely glow in the dark, both sides. So, I'm going to swap it over to this side as well. It glows in the dark. And it's a nice glow, too. It's a nice, strong glow. I definitely suggest y'all to go get you one of these black lights if you don't already have one, because it charges these things up ASAP. So, the entire upper is glow in the dark. And when it comes to sneakers, man, if anything glows in the dark or if anything comes with 3M, especially Adidas, right? Adidas can re-release the same exact shoe. One can be 3M, one can be non-3M, and the value will go up like $400, $500 plus just because of small 3M factors. Now, when it comes to sizing, I know a lot of y'all ask the same question. When it comes to sizing, is this true to size or should you go half size down? I cannot answer that question. This is not a personal pair, and I've never had a pair before. So I cannot answer that question. What I can say that might be helpful, this shoe already looks standard bulky, okay? Any bulky shoe, Jordan 5, Commando Pro or Command Force, I always go true to size, okay? It always look big, maybe even have to go a half size down. This probably will be either true to size for sure. I think this needs to be true to size. Just looking at the bulkiness, I definitely wouldn't go a half size up without a doubt. The only ones that wasn't true to size are a lot of the earlier Yeezy 350s, which were kind of resized. I feel like Adidas did a great job of resizing those a little bit later when they started releasing other colorways, because now they fit true to size, no problem. Now, I'm checking out the market on these, and surprisingly, these are going under retail. So at the moment, they're going for $224 on StockX in a size 12. Or actually, these are 11.5, so they're going for $248 on StockX, and the retail price is $250. So if you want a pair, I definitely say go for them. Now, let me know your thoughts and opinions. Is this sneaker worth buying? And also tell me if you want to see the comparison video. Like I said, man, the merch is officially uploaded. The link is down below. Head over to IG, follow me, and let's get it moving, man. I appreciate each and every last one of y'all for watching, but you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but we're really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.